Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn is Fun. This is me, Aisha Rizwan, with you, and today I have a very exciting lesson. Why? Because I am going to teach you how you can make table of content perfectly. After this video, you will say that what a video you have watched. So don't forget to subscribe because in my channel you are going to explore all the wow videos I am telling you. So let's start without wasting the time. I have this document with me. Firstly, I will format it and afterwards I will make table of content. So you will learn two things together. Let's just format it. I will press Ctrl A. Let's just Control A. Why I'm doing like this? Why? Because I want you to see all things together. Okay. Just press Control A and then from home button you will select number of font size. I will make it 16 now. After Times New Roman already set it. I want sentence case. I will make sentence case. I want it justified. I will make it justified. Afterwards it's all set, right? Let's start it. Now I will go to page number 1 first. Okay. Now this is the first heading. From this option, I am going to select heading 1, but before I will customize this modify. Here I am going to make this heading because it is first heading. I will make it 18. I will here Times New heading and I will make color black. I want it bold. Okay, and underline I don't need it, just this one, and that's it. You will press OK, enter. Wait a second. Okay, so I'm gonna say this. Okay, so this is heading number 1. I will press here. This is heading number 1. Now let's first Control A, and I don't want it underline. Okay, so I will make it as without underline. Now it is without underline. Okay, so about my channel, it is heading 1. It's English, not Urdu. Let's correct it. Okay, so and I will also make Aisha Suman in big letters. You have to see. This heading 1 is finished. Now, what we offer. This also heading 1 and the words topic. This is heading number subtopics. Okay, after the words. This is subheading. So I will make it as heading 2. Let's just customize it. Modify. It will be Times New Roman. I will make it 17. I want it like underline only. I will make it underline now. Just and black color same. So you will see it diverse topic now. Okay, this is heading number 2. Diverse topics we have. Now in the inside the diverse topic, what else we have? Educational videos. So this one will be subheading of that. Now inside this educational videos will come. So I will make it as heading 3. Let's just modify it. It will be 15. That one I will make it 17, so I will make it 16. Again Times New Roman 16, and I will make it underline italic. It's up to you. Just I want to show the difference. So it is now heading 3. Okay, this is heading 3. Now this is one thing. This all is one thing. Now this is our approach. What we offer is different than what our approach. So basically this is heading number 1. What we offer, our approach, is the second heading. Fun and engaging content. So this is inside that. So I will make it heading 2. Heading 2. Regular update. This is our approaches. First is fun and contact. The second one is regular updates. Will also be second because this one is different than this one. It is not a part of fun and engaging content. This is regular updates. Now join the community. It is another. It is, and let me just do that. Yeah, it is another heading. Okay, so we will make it as this one is over, and join the community will be another heading. Join the community. Why? Because of interactive learning will be heading 2, and this is one. Now subscribe and engage will be heading 2. Heading another thing. Okay. So we make headings, subheadings. Now let's make the table of content. I will press enter. Now from the reference, we will choose table of content. So in the table of content, you can choose the style, whatever you want. I want this table one style. So see, now all your headings about my channel, what we offer, diverse topic, in that diverse topic, educational videos, our approach, fun and engaging content, regular updates. Now join the community inside interactive learning, subscribe and engage. So this is how you can make your table of content. Even if you give like home, you will put insert and insert, then you will put page number bottom of that. Okay, like that you will give the page number, press enter, and then from the right side update tab field, entire table, you will see that the number page number will also come. Okay, so this is how you can create a table of content like that. A lot of the people are taking from internet, that is wrong. This is how you can make a table of content accurately. So that's it. If you like the video, what you have to do, you have to subscribe my channel, you have to comment me that you like it, and even I will tell you how you can judge what is heading 1, what is heading 2, heading 3. I will tell you. I will make another detailed note or video on table of content, and also there is one thing, insert captions, how we can insert it, insert table of figures. Also I will tell you about reference giving, Harvard, APA, all about. So what you have to do, you have to subscribe and motivate me. I will wait for your response. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.